Hello, in this video we will do exercise 2, page 66. Reduce to the same numerator, then compare the following fractions. So now we have to reduce to the same numerator. Let's look at the first fraction, 1/3. Can we simplify 1/3? No. 2/5. Can we simplify this fraction? No. Let's look at the numerator. We have 1 and 2. 2 is multiple of 1. Yes, so we multiply this fraction by 2 to get a numerator 2. 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6. Now they have the same numerator, so we can compare them. How to compare two fractions having the same numerator? A fraction which has the smallest denominator will be greater. So 2/5 and 2/6, which one is greater? 2/5. Now 2/3 and 4/7. We cannot simplify these two fractions, but 4 is multiple of 2, so we multiply this fraction by 2 to get 4. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. So now we get two fractions with same numerator. So which one is bigger? 4/6 is bigger than 4/7. 8/9 and 5/4. We cannot simplify these two fractions. And 8 is not multiple of 5. So what we have to do? We multiply them by each other. We multiply the 8 by 5 and the 5 by 8 to get the same numerator. 8 times 5, 40. 9 times 5, 45. 5 times 8, 40. 4 times 8, 32. Now we get two fractions with same numerator, so we can compare them. Which one is bigger? The ones that has the smallest denominator, so 40 over 32 is greater. We have 6/7 and 4/9. We cannot simplify these two fractions. And 6 is not multiple of 4. So what we have to do, we should multiply them by each other, but we know that we have a common multiple smaller than 24, which is 12. So we multiply this fraction by 2 to get a numerator 12, and this fraction by 3 to get a numerator 12. 6 times 2, 12. 7 times 2, 14. 4 times 2, 12 times 3, 12. 9 times 3, 27. So now we get the same numerator, so we can compare these two fractions. Which one is greater? 12. 14 is greater than 12. 27. Now we have to do exercise 3. Compare using smaller than, greater than, or equal. Now, they don't say reduce to the same denominator nor to the same numerator, so we can choose as we want. We can reduce them to the same numerator or to the same denominator. 11/5 and 5/2. We cannot simplify these two fractions, so and 11 not multiple of 5 and 5 not multiple of 2. Let's reduce them to the same denominator. So we have to multiply the 5 by 2 and the 2 by 5 because 5 is not multiple of 2. 11 times 2, 22. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 5, 10. Now they have the same denominator and we can compare them. Which one is bigger? 25 tenths is bigger than 22 tenths. 9 tenths, 3/5. We cannot simplify the fractions, but look, 9 is multiple of 3, so we can multiply this fraction by 3 to get the same numerator. 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 3, 15. Now we get the same numerator. So which fraction is greater? The fraction that has the smallest denominator is greater. So 9 tenths is greater than 9/15. Now 18/24 and 6/8. We can notice that we can simplify this fraction by 3. So let's divide by 3 because 18 and 24 are multiples of 3. We can add the digits also. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 multiple of 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 multiple of 3. 8 divide by 3. 6. 24 divide by 3. 8. So these two fractions are equal. Now we have 4 sixths and 12 20s. We can notice that 12 is multiple of 4, so we can reduce these two fractions to the same numerator. 4 times 3, 12. 6 times 3, 18. So we get the same numerator. So which one is bigger? The fraction that has the smallest denominator. So 12/18 is greater than 12/20. Now exercise 4. Fuad ate 4/7 of an apple pie. Maha ate 3/5 of an identical apple pie to that of Fuad. Which one of the two children ate more? So to know which one ate more, we have to compare these two fractions, 4/7 and 3/5. To compare these two fractions, we can choose as we want. We can reduce them to the same numerator or to the same denominator. We cannot simplify these two fractions, and 4 is not multiple of 3. Let's reduce them to the same numerator. 4 is not multiple of 3, so what we have to do, we multiply them by each other. So we multiply the first fraction by 3 and the second fraction by 4. 4 times 3, 12. 7 times 3, 21. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 4, 20. Now we get the same numerator. So which one is bigger? The fraction that has the smallest denominator is bigger because they have the same numerator. So 12/20 is greater than 12/21. So which children ate more? Maha. So Maha ate more. Thank you.